Hey guys, it's been a minute. Okay, finally doing my full holiday Hermes haul from my last trip, including my special order, which we already unboxed, but I'm gonna unbox it again, obviously. We got 5 bags, 2 quotas, 3 non, and some smaller things to go with those quota bags. So we're gonna do a quick Hermes holiday Hermes haul, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion for a luxury lover, shopaholic, shopaholique. And today we're doing an Hermes haul from my trip at the end of last year, okay? If that's when you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. I'm gonna try to keep these short and sweet as I've been trying to do. Also, Happy New Year. Hopefully I'm posting this on January 1st. It's January 1st. Happy New Year. Also, updates. Gonna try to be more consistent again. I know I keep saying that, but let's try to hold me to it this time. And also, 5-year sobriety today. Yay! I'm gonna get a new sobriety bracelet, obviously, or jewelry, something like that. We'll have to talk about that in another video. We'll get into that in the other video. But let me know what you think. I should get in the comments below for 5 years. We're gonna go through these super quick. Like I said, there's 5 bags and then other charms. So let's go through it. Happy New Year. Yay, okay? I don't know if I need to do story time, but basically Paris, most of this from Paris, one from the airport, one from London, and that's about it, okay? So yeah, I'm feeling very grateful, very lucky, very special. Happy New Year, fresh start, 2025. Yay, okay. First thing, this was from London, is the birdie charm in ostrich, and some other, in Epsom and Swift. Palladium hardware, Nata, rose bubblegum, Vert something, rose Mexico, I think. It's got like 6 colors on it. It's beautiful. It's beauty, it's grace, it's made to the United States. We love. Doesn't really go with any of my bags. Got it as part of like building a relationship in London, okay? That's not true. It does go with Hackadoses and what else is palladium hardware. Anyway, whatever. I think it can go on non-palladium hardware. Okay, next we got a big horsey charm, the size, Pegasus. A taupe vert fizz rouge cellier. It's going in somebody down below, so wait, stay tuned for that, but it's a taupe, so it can go with a lot of my other bags that are a taupe as well. Rouge cellier also can go with that little Evelyn. Okay, that's that one. 2 out of 11, or whatever. Okay, these online orders actually that picked up in store, can never have enough of these. Another gold Pegasus. Simple, easy, yay. Here, another gold Pegasus. Simple, easy. This! I really love this one. This is what I asked for, but when I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. And it's so perfect. Is the buddy charm. I guess it was 5 bags and 5 charms. 5 bags and 5 charms. Hey, too bad they all don't go with each other. That would have been nice. I mean, I guess I could put one on each. Buddy charm, noir, a taupe, chocolate. Perfect. Love. Okay. That's that. First bag. Second bag in my appointment. It wasn't exactly what I wanted, but we were on time crunch and I didn't really like any of the other options, so I just asked for this, which actually is now for Andrew. So see it for now, and then it's goodbye. But we share everything, so it'll probably be around. It's another Evelyn Mini in Vert Cypress, I think, or Vert Fonce or something like that. Dark green, gold hardware. It's very beautiful, actually. The light's not really doing justice, but it is a dark, rich, deep forest green, and we love it. Brought it out now. They brought it out, and I was like, oh yes. This one, my favorite. You already saw, but let's just take a peek again. Because, you know, it is my Mini Kelly special order. Noir, a taupe, chèvre, cuivre, perma brass, longer strap, multicolor. Yay. This is everything. I'm so happy. I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. And I will do a separate video on the process for him. Next. Second bag from second appointment. And again, not something exactly that I wanted because I've already gotten this bag. Second bag, second appointment, Andrew's taking. So Andrew's taking both the second bag. And whatever, okay. But again, sharing. So it is Mini Gypsy Air Palladium hardware with the charm. And Swift, same color. Vert Fonce? Vert Cypress? I don't know. It's a beautiful, beautiful dark green. Okay, that's that one. Next, this one. This one's a gift for mom. It's something I've been trying to get for her for a while, and she'd asked for, but we were not able to get in LA, and we actually weren't able to get in France either. So this is from the airport, which was lucky. Not a crazy bag, but a beautiful bag. It smells so good. It is the Evelyn PM in gold with palladium hardware. Clemence, white stitching, yummy. I'm going pretty fast. Oh, and this is the final one. Second Quota bag, box broke. Ginormous, obviously, because it's a biggie. Bet you can guess what it is. If you saw the other video, I had there were three options. It's a big kahuna. Big kahuna. Okay. It is the newest member of the Burke fam. You ready? 40, Birkin 40 in a tube with gold hardware in Togo. Veined out everywhere. White stitching, Etupe, gold, and noir. All three colors. Also, side note, I never did a noir unboxing, which I'll have to do now because I never did the unboxing of the noir one. Amazing. Amazing. That's all. Ah! Okay. I don't think I have anything else, so that's all. That was my unboxing. Yay! I'm gonna try. I hope that was short. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy New Year. Yay! 2025. I think I'm gonna take a little break from spending. I know I say that every year, but I really think I need to do it this year. There are a few things from the Louis Vuitton Murakami thing that I want to get, and 2 more things that I ordered that I'm waiting for. But after that, done, okay? We're done. I will post old unboxings, though, that I have not posted soon. Okay, that's all I got. And I will try to do more like news, fashion updates, reviews, things like that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share it with your enemies because I know your time is valuable. I know you're precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.